Hello students, how are you? Welcome to my class. I am Taruna Chaube and today I am going to teach you from Moral Science, page number 22, chapter 6, Sincerity. So my dear students, sincerity is the virtue of one who communicates and acts in thoughts and desires in a manner that is honest and genuine. The Greek and Romans in ancient days loved art and sculptures. Some of the sculptors were amateurs. They made mistakes. Sometimes, while chiseling, the nose or ear of the image would break. Then they would use a trick to hide the broken part. They would fix it with white clay and wax. However, after some time, the wax would melt. The summer heat would expose the mistake. It also exposed the insincerity and dishonesty of the artist. A sincere person is a true person. He does not apply makeups. He is able to stand the test of trials. He is a total person. Sincerity is truth. One day, during the morning roll call, the teacher noticed that James had been absent the previous day, so she asked James to explain why he was absent. James said that his mother was not keeping well. The teacher met James' mother at the marketplace. The teacher asked James' mother that you were sick yesterday. James' mother answered, no, I was all right. Who said I was sick? The teacher explained, never mind, I was mistaken. The teacher and James' mother both were embarrassed. James was exposed like the defective wax statue of the inefficient Roman artist. The teacher would do well to face James the next day. She would do well to correct him. James in the story had a perverted mind and a distorted personality. Those who are courageous will always speak truth, but the weak find excuses and hide the truth. People trust those who are truthful and sincere. If James had spoken truth to the teacher, she might have perhaps scolded him, but she would have trusted him in future because she knew that he had been sincere. Here is another example that shows the insincerity hidden inside the mind of a person. John and Arun were neighbors. John liked to lead a quiet life and did not want the neighbors to visit him often. Whenever Arun knocked at the door, John would look through the hole and curse. But when he opened the door, he would smile and say, how nice to meet you, Arun. His smile was insincere. His words, how nice to meet you, reflected insincerity. He was being dishonest to himself and to his neighbor. Nothing can prevent snoopy neighbors from disturbing you. Perhaps the only way for John was to tell Arun politely that he valued his privacy. In this way, Arun would not disturb the privacy of his neighbor John. So, it is always wise to speak the truth rather than hide the facts, as face is an index of mind. A victory over our own faults is the most important aspect of our personality. Sincerity lies in victory over self. All students, write in your MSc book. Exercise questions. Write true or false. First, the Greeks and Romans in ancient days loved art and sculpture. True. Second, James had spoken the truth while explaining the reason for remaining absent from school. False. Mrs. Matthew told the teacher that she was sick the previous day. False. John liked to lead a quiet life. True. Fifth one, John was honest to his neighbor Arun. True. Sorry, it's false. Second one, fill in the blanks. First one, a sincere person is a true person. Second one, a sincere person is able to stand the test of trials. Second one is trials. TRIALS. Third, James was exposed like the defective wax statue of the ancient Roman artist. Third one, exposed. 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 Fourth fill up, James had a perverted mind and a distorted personality. Fourth fill up, perverted. PERVERTED. A distorted. 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 Fifth one, nothing can prevent Snoopy. 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 Neighbors from disturbing